Hi guys, what's up? This is Jed Fardo from USI Tech Philippines, and now we're going to discuss. So, ngayon pa lang, I congratulate you guys kung sino man nanonood ng video na to. So, nakaabot ka dito sa part na to kung saan i-discuss ko kung ano si USI Tech and kung gaano siya kaganda. So, first and foremost, kung nagti-trading ka na, so kung may idea ka sa trading, masasabi ko lang sobrang the best si USI Tech. Okay, so ako kasi personally gusto ko mag-trade and noon pa lang gusto ko nang mag-trade. So kaso nga lang ang problema, kailangan ko matid ng seminar, may bayad, mahal. Kailangan kong bumili ng software na mahal and then kailangan ko ng malaking capital para mag-trade. So one thing kay USI Tech, sobrang dali lang niya. So there are 5 things na gusto kong i-point out para ma-realize mo kung gaano kaganda si USI Tech. So without further ado, ito siya. So first is automated trading. So sabi ko nga, kung nagti-trading ka na, gaano kaganda ang USI Tech. Since automated trading siya, automatic, wala kang kailangan gawing. All you need to do is to open an account, put in your investment, and just wait. Okay, so ganun siya kaganda. And later on, papakita ko kung paano siya. So ang maganda dito, sa traditional forex trading, kailangan mo i-monitor, antayin mo kung kailan tataas or kailan bababa yung value ng currency, and it's a challenge. Okay, so hindi mo alam kung kailan tataas or bababa. So pwedeng ang isang trade mo matalo ka or ang trade mo kumita ka na malaki. That's it. So another thing na nagustuhan ko is no negative trades. Okay, so ngayon ipapakita ko yung actual account ko sa USI Tech or yung one of our accounts sa USI Tech na nag-start siya mag-trade, and ipapakita ko yung automated trading and no negative trades. Because do sa traditional forex, since hindi mo nga alam, nagkakaroon ka ng negative trades. Ibig sabihin natatalo ka. Okay, so punta tayo sa account namin isa. Okay, so ito siya, no? So makikita mo dito, one thing is transparent siya. Makikita mo yung daily transactions. Okay. So punta tayo sa packages, yung trading niya. Okay, packages. So maganda dito, makikita mo talaga yung real time na pagte-trade. So paano yun? So ako kasi talagang inaral ko to. So yun, yung isang account or isang package, Bitcoin package is nag-start kami mag-invest dito May 2017, and as of now it's running 26 days. So nag-accumulate na siya ng 22.74% equivalent sa 0.00641 Bitcoin. And then kung i-check mo to, makikita mo yung actual. Okay, so gaano kaganda si Bitcoin? Simple lang yan, automatic trading, makikita mo yan. And ang maganda kasi kay Bitcoin, sabi nga niya, yung daily trades niya is ang target is 1% a day. So kasama yung capital mo and then yung interest. So gaano kaganda doon? Yan yung safety net. Okay, so later ipapaliwanag ko. So dito pa lang from May 23, 2017 from 24. So makikita mo yung business days. Okay. No negative trades. Makita mo 0.76, 0.86, 0.81, but there's no negative trades. Why? Because ang nagtitrade dito yung mga export traders natin internationally. Alright? So one good thing din na nagustuhan ko kay USI, they're using the highest platform standard for forex or crypto trading. Yun yung MT4, or kung i-check mo siya, trader ka, alam mo na yan. Kung hindi pa, i-research mo and you'll find that this is, if not the best, the great or the a good platform that we can have for forex. But so far, ito yung ginagamit nilang standard even before for forex. Okay, so kung ito yung ginagamit ng USI Tech, no doubt with this. And for safe and secured system for cash in and withdrawal. So one thing din na nagustuhan ko dito, since it's cryptocurrency na tinatrade natin, marami siyang safety net. So passwords, so every time you log in, pag idle siya, malalag out siya. Okay, so kailangan kasi natin protektahan yung information. At the same time, yung back of house natin, yung dashboard, hindi siya ma-access ng iba if they are not with USI Tech. Kung walang referral, hindi ka makakapag-register, right? At the same time, safe and security, license, legalities. So, this is an international company, okay? So, ang maganda dito, safe siya. Why? Because yung may-ari nito, matagal na sila sa Forex. They've been doing Forex for quite a long time. Okay, so they are expert in their own fields or in this field. So sabi nga nila, if you wanna know something about a certain thing, you ask for those people na alam yung bagay na yun. Right? And as of this is Forex, this is trading, cryptocurrencies, dun tayo sa experts. So at the same time, their legalities, they are registered in Dubai. So gaano kaganda pag naka-register yung company mo sa Dubai. So if you're an employee, or sorry, if you're a businessman or kung negosyante ka, you would really want to put up a business in Dubai. Why? Kasi walang tax. That's one good thing. Pero, what's the challenge? Sobrang higpit or strict ng policy nila or requirements before you can put up your own business in Dubai. And USI Tech is registered in Dubai. And maganda dito sa Pilipinas, though it's an international company. By the way, just to inform you guys, kung sino man nanonood dito, again, congratulations. You found a very good opportunity and a very good software to trade. Right? It's very safe. We already tried this before. Yung uncle ko na nasa California, tinry niya rin to. At the same time, yung legalities. Dito sa Philippines, they had their grand launching last June 24, 2017, and nandun kami. Alright? And they are complying with security for putting up a business here in the Philippines. So, they're applying with the SEC. Okay, they already started, Securities and Exchange Commission. And one thing na nagustuhan ko dito is yung owners are really approachable. Actually, yun nga, si Ralph Gold, I'll be introducing him later. Sobra ko siyang na-meet or sobra ko siyang nakausap nung pumunta sila dito. Actually, June 23, umattend kami ng advanced meeting nila for leaders that they have or they had here in the Philippines. So, nandun kami. And it's a good thing. Right? So, these are 5 points or 5 keys na I would wanna point out kasi alam ko na dito pa lang magugustuhan mo na sa USI. So, yun nga, ang maganda, they have a vision, or they had a vision. Sabi nga nila, when vision and perfection come together, great things can happen. And yun na yung nangyayari. So, nandun na tayo sa informational age. We need to have innovation. Every time there is innovation, there is progress. Tandaan nyo yan. Alright, so who is USI? So, again, yes, this is a company registered in Dubai. I already told that a while ago. So, ang maganda dito, founders nito, okay? Si João Severino, he's been with the Forex industry for quite a long time, for 15 years of experience. He's been doing trading with clients since 2007. And Ralph Gold, sobrang idol ko tong taong to. Although he's earning a lot, he's very hands-on pagdating sa business niya. Actually, after dito sa Philippines grand launching nila on 24th, on the next day, Ralph Gold flew to Japan or in Tokyo because meron silang grand opening din doon with USI. And also, the team consists of financial analysts, professional traders, developers. So, nandiyan si Mike Kiefer, si Andy. So, ang maganda nito, I do have the privilege na makachat mismo si Andy. So, siya ang head ng buong Asia for USI. Right? So, ito, kung makikita, this is Andy, this is Ralph Gold, this is Mike Kiefer, and there's still one, si Roger. Hindi lang ako nakakuha ng or we do have pictures pero hindi ko na siya na-upload. Anyways, so this was yung grand launching sa Shangri-La, Manila on June 24. So they are really approachable. That's one good thing. Kasi sabi nga ng mentor ko do sa previous company na pinasukan ko, because I've been with networking or network marketing industry. So, a good thing, this company has a very promising and very good product. Yun yung software. Okay? So, yun. Sobrang ganda pag nakakausap mo yung may-ari. they have the heart to talk to people, and it's a good thing to work with them. All right. So yun nga, I would like to welcome everyone to the cryptocurrency trading with USI Tech. So ito yung literal na sinabi nila na pwede kang kumita ng pera habang natutulog. Hindi siya yung trabahong tamad, guys. Actually, they innovate things. Yun yung maganda. Because this is automated trading. Right? And later on, we'll be showing in-depth walkthroughs and reviews, or not reviews, videos kung paano mo gagawin lalo si USI. Alright? So, mamaganda dito, simple lang naman. I'll show you some figures here. So, to start with USI, simple lang. All you need to do is to open up your account. It's free. Alright? And then, syempre, para mag-start yung trading, you need to put in some capital. So, sabi ko nga sa typical trading, sobrang mahal ng capital. Pero dito, you know what, guys? Sobrang swerte mo. I think you need to thank the people or yung tao na nagpakita sa'yo ng opportunity na to, kasi for as low as 3,000 pesos you can start trading. So with that, yun yung tinatawag natin Bitcoin package. So your peso will be converted into Bitcoin, and that will be traded for 140 working days from Mondays to Fridays. Okay, and yun nga pala, guys, gusto kong i-share isa pa sa safety net ng company. So from Mondays to Fridays, they are trading for us, and yung dalawang day with weekends, they are trading for the company. Kasi kailangan kumita ng company. That's a safety net para hindi bumagsak. And yung daily payout natin, 1%, consisting yung initial investment mo, and then your capital, or sorry, yung tubo mo. Alright? And we'll be showing that for the next videos.